Good morning, everybody. Well, it's Friday. We got 2 days left of the Badger Bash, and today's a riding day. So we have another mystery ride. I can't tell you this much. We're riding on what's probably the most famous road here around Eureka Springs. And I want to say it's about 240, 250 miles today. So it should be a good riding day. A little cooler today and a slight chance of rain. So we may get a little rain. But anyway, everybody is getting on their bikes and we're getting ready to head out of here. So come along with us and you can be all part of this mystery ride. Here we go. All right, first stop, if you don't know where we're at, this is the scenic overlook on the pig trail. So we're riding the pig trail today, headed to our next destination. For those of you following along, it's still a mystery for all of you. Got all the bikes lined up here.
The overlook.
This is the overlook? So we got to get our picture?
Yes. Do you want to borrow my book?
Yep.
Got people taking hog pictures. Got people taking lots of pictures. Look at that view.
You need a picture or no?
It is definitely cooler today, but what a great day for a ride. Can't wait to continue this adventure.
The Pig Trail, also known as the Arkansas Dragon, is what we're currently on. The Pig Trail Scenic Byway is a 24-mile portion of Highway 23 in the Ozark National Forest. It's on a lot of bikers' ride-it lists, one of the top motorcycle roads to ride in the United States for sure. As you can see, it has steep inclines, sharp curves, and a dense tree-lined road. We think the road was named this because the road resembles a pigtail, of course. Where does it start? Well, we suggest you go to the Switchback Bar and start there. You're basically on the Missouri-Arkansas line when you do. Then head south towards Eureka Springs. It ends close to I-40 near the town of Ozark. But be sure to stop at Turner Bend, located in Cass, Arkansas, before you get to the end. You won't want to miss it, I promise. It's, of course, another place to look for our sticker. I'm going to spoil the surprise and tell you about the next stop. We're on a road headed to the top of Mount Magazine State Park, which has the highest point in Arkansas and why we chose to go there. They call it Signal Hill. It's located in Logan County. The road is full of elevation changes and curves that make it another fantastic ride for us motorcyclists. We will end at the top where the lodge at Mount Magazine is located.
All right, we're here at our halfway destination, but this is Mount Magazine. I'll get you some different views, but it's hard to beat this view. Check that out. How cool is that? It's like 15 degrees cooler up here too. Definitely tell a difference in the weather. We're gonna eat here and then we'll head back to home. All right, so lunch with a view. Can you guys see out the window? Probably see out better than we can.
That's the way to do it, sir.
There you go.
Good for y'all.
So lunch with a view, we're eating at the Skycrest restaurant, Mount Magazine. Angie needs a menu. We're back. We made it back to Eureka Springs. We got like rained on 4 miles out, but it didn't rain hard. So we met everybody for dinner at the Rowdy Beaver. Have you ever been to the Rowdy Beaver in Eureka Springs? Great little place to grab some food right here on Van Buren Street. But anyway, we are done. The day is done. We've over 300 miles today. It was a great ride up to the mountain, lunch, and then back. So highly recommend if you're in the Eureka Springs area, take a day ride, go to Mount Magazine, check it out, and then come back to Eureka Springs. So this week we have pretty much went every direction from Eureka Springs and found an awesome day of riding and tons of stuff to do. And then tomorrow's a shorter ride, but we are going to a couple places that you'll have to check out. Anywho, that is a wrap for today. Another awesome day here in Eureka Springs.